Hi there. After building the DeskBuddy pet robot, a lot of my followers suggested to build a AI-based interactive robot. So here it is, a open source ESP32 based AI robot assistant. I made it like a avocado. It can sing, interact with you, solve math problems, speak different languages, etc. Who are you?
I'm Jarvis, your friendly AI assistant created by ESC Labs. I'm here to help with anything you need, whether it's answering questions, playing music, or just chatting. How can I assist you today?
What is the value of pi?
Pi is approximately 3.14159. It's a mathematical constant representing the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter.
Who are you?
好耶，听得到吗？要不要来首歌解解闷？
Hola, who are you?
小智啦，泰文女孩，爱笑爱闹。你呢？
Sing a song for me.
火点亮整条街，烟花把夜空写成诗篇，就烦恼全部说再见。
You can build a similar AI bot without writing a single line of code or downloading any software. By the way, all the files of this project is open sourced and you can download it for free. Now let's get started with this video.
I'm Jarvis, your friendly assistant here to help with anything you need.
While searching about AI chatbots, I found this Xiaoshi AI based tutorial. Also, a lot of other makers made their own versions of it. So let's start by grabbing the components. First is the Seeed Studio XIAO ESP32S3. This development board has 8 MB flash and tiny in size, so perfect for our task. Then a 0.96-inch OLED screen. Next a MAX98357A I2S 3-watt amplifier. Then a INMP441 microphone module. Then we need a 5-volt booster module. We are using this because the MAX98357 needs 5V for the proper working. Here I am using a 3.7V battery to power the bot. Finally a small speaker and some more components like wires and switch also needed. All these components can be purchased from my site as well as a kit. So first I placed all the components on a small breadboard and connected each components according to this circuit diagram. Next we need to program this. For that I connected the USB cable to the XIAO board. The program is developed in ESP-IDF. If you are good on ESP-IDF, you can download the source file and build yourself. Or if you are a noob like me, just go to my website and open the ESP flasher. Link is given in the video description. Click on connect device, then connect. Select the AI chatbot firmware from firmware section and click on flash. After flashing, you can see the face on the display. Now if everything is okay, you can hear the voice also. Now open your Wi-Fi and connect to Xiaoshi setup, and that will lead to a setup page like this. Then provide your Wi-Fi credentials and click OK. So now our chatbot will connect to our Wi-Fi and it will provide a access code through voice. Note down or remember the 6-digit access code.
Please log into the control panel to add the device. Enter the verification code. 3064788.
Now open Xiaoshi.me, then log in with your account. Then click on console, then add device and provide the 6-digit code here. After adding the device, click on config route. From here we can set the name of the AI model, language, voice, etc. After saving, restart the device and you can see the working. Who are you?
I'm Jarvis, your friendly assistant here to help with anything you need, whether it's music, weather, or just a chat. How can I assist you today?
Now let's build it permanently. For that, I removed all the header pins from the modules which I used to mount on breadboard and connected small wires to all modules. After that, I connected all modules to XIAO ESP32S3. You can use a normal .pcb here if you want. Here is the power supply circuit. Here I added a USB socket for charging the battery. The circuit boosts the battery voltage to 5 volt. Also I added a push button to on and off the board. After connecting power circuit to the main circuit, I tested it again and verified the working. Now I measured the dimensions of speaker and OLED screen and I designed a enclosure in Tinkercad. I am going with this avocado design. I think this design is good. The speaker acts like a seed of the avocado. After designing, I printed the design using my FlashForge 3D printer. I used yellow color for inner side and green color for the outer shell. Here is the 3D printer parts. Everything seems nice. Now I placed OLED and speaker to the front panel and all other modules to the backup. Then I secured everything with the glue. So here is the final look of my avocado board. Now you can see the working. Who are you?
I'm Jarvis, your friendly AI assistant created by ESC Labs. I'm here to help with anything you need, whether it's answering questions, playing music, or just chatting. How can I assist you today?
What is 10 times 10 by 3?
10 times 10 is 100, and 100 times 3 is 300. So, the answer is 3.
So that's all about how you can build a AI chatbot. You can download all the files of this project from my GitHub. The link is given in the video description. So I hope you learned something new from this video. If so, please consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribing. That's all up to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Please sing a song for me.